highlight, contouring, baking. Are we still doing that? Hi, my name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. If you want to see how that video goes, please stay tuned and carry on watching. Let's get started now, shall we? I will be using UJV Beauty products today, using a foundation, concealer, and powder. I am gonna apply this foundation just to show you how flawless it is. I think I found my favorite foundation. Guys, look how beautiful and gorgeous it is. It's full coverage, it blends so well. If you want to know where I get all these products, please, the link is in the below and you can get it. The discount code will be also there. Using her concealer, my placement of concealer plays a crucial role for this highlighting process. I conceal according to my face shape. You can always do an experiment, just the same with contouring. I like to do the masculine contouring, and this is just something that flattens me. I know people do it differently, there's different ways, but I found what looks good on me and I just kind of stick to it and I play around. I will be blending this, but first, before I blend, I have to spray with a hydrating mist so that I can actually blend it flawlessly. I'm using the UJV Beauty brush, which is so soft, but I have to go back in with a beauty blender to just get that flawless feel. Guys, I told you I've been loving using a beauty blender to blend, so I'm just loving this concealer that is from UJV Beauty. Can we talk about flawless? Yes, ma'am. Look how flawless that is. You don't want to leave any harsh lines when you finish blending. Everything has to be seamless. Now, when it comes to setting, we want to set our face first. You dust off any products when you get your powder. I'm using the banana powder from UJV Beauty. Then you want to bake. So you set first and then you bake, because then you don't want to go right ahead and bake and then it will create a cakey kind of feel. I am going to be bronzing my face. You guys need to know there's a difference between bronzer and contour. Bronzer is warm, contour is cooler. So I like to bronze my face after baking. Then I apply a bit of blusher with an angled fluffy brush and I sweep away with this beautiful UJV Beauty brush, and then I do go in with a round puff with my foundation to get rid of any harshness and just to get the perfect look. I go back in again with my blush. Next, I will be setting my face using a setting spray. This is a hydrating mist, depending if you're oily skinned or combination skin. I like to set my face. There's a difference between setting your face and fixing it. So I set my face to just melt every product together. Then I put a bit of highlighter, that's the glow that you want. Then I want to fix my face using a fixing spray. Fixing spray is what's gonna make your makeup last longer. It's gonna make your makeup transfer proof as well. So I just wanted to point that out. Setting is melting everything together to remove any edginess. Fixing is setting it for the longer stay. So I hope this was a very useful video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Please let me know in the comments what your thoughts on this look. It's something that you would try. It's something that you'd want to polish up. If you think like, girl, maybe you should do this, you should do that instead. I'm pretty open. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.